Did they like chuck a rock at me? Hey, I don't have a seat. Get away from me. They're not gonna hurt you. They like us. I've got it. I'm gonna chase him with a bag. Ready, Dad? 3, 2, 1. Oh, crap, they're already after it.
Look here, G. Oh, stand up.
So they might think Are you laughing or are you scared? No more. Out of service. Out of service. No more. Oh no! No! My bag of Doritos! You ran away from me! Yeah, come here on the Doritos. Oh, crap. Get away from me!
You invited him over.
They're landing on her back. I gave you what you wanted. I never gave you what. I got it. They don't want. Whoever gets this is my pet. Yoink. Oh! Get this one in my bag. That's your bag right there. Hi, bird. Why are you scratching at me? I don't have anything. Why is your face so covering me? Stop, Gio! Yoink! Wow! Hey, hey, hey! Here, I'm gonna put this on your head, okay? Oh, you jumped. Oh, you got close. Hey, you're fine.
Hang high prices for carpet floorings for the birds, so be wise, call the carpet guys.